So how do you socialize your puppy while practicing social distancing? Welcome to Cornerstone Gundog Academy, where you can learn to train your retriever with our online videos. And so in today's world, with all that's going on, there's a lot of craziness going on. There's a lot of social distancing going on. We're all trying to avoid getting the coronavirus, and for great reason. We want to stay safe. We want to keep others around us safe. But if you've just got a puppy, you're probably thinking, well, what do I do? I know, and I've been following you long enough, and I know that socializing is one of the most important things to do. So how am I supposed to socialize my puppy if we have to practice social distancing? And in this case, it is kind of a downer, but there's some things that you can do that will really help keep your dog strong on its foundation, and you'll keep moving it forward. And here's what I would recommend doing. Anytime you get a chance for socializing your puppy, as in avoid socializing your puppy with people for now under these circumstances. We would normally never say that, but under these circumstances, you definitely want to practice social distancing. But what you can do is any place that you're allowed to and it makes sense, you make sure to check with your local authorities, make sure that it's safe. Get your puppy out and let it explore a little. Introduce it to different sights, sounds, smells, different things like that, because socializing goes beyond just introducing your dog to people and getting your dog comfortable with people. It goes with things like just being in the outdoors, just like we're standing out here now, letting your dog experience what the wind feels like as it's blowing through the tree limbs and making different noises, letting them experience what a bug is like, different things like that. Just get them out and let them explore as much as you can according to your local authorities. Again, we want to follow their regulations to make sure we stay safe and to make sure we keep others safe. Now, if you're in a place to where you can't get out and you can't let your dog explore other sights, sounds, and smells, that's okay. Get your dog in the home and build a relationship with it. Have some fun with it. Maybe even practice some early retrieving in your home. You can even practice some basic sessions like we teach with clicker and treat, getting them on the place board in the home. There is a lot that you can do. So the big thing is build a relationship with your puppy. You and your pup can hang out because you're not gonna have to worry about coronavirus with your puppy. So that's what you can do with practicing social distancing for now. And then once this is all said and done and it blows over, get your pup out and let it meet some people.